Drone and UAV integration. Drone and UAV integration, unmanned aerial vehicles have become a game-changer in modern warfare, and Russia is no exception in harnessing their potential to boost air power in 2025. The Russian military has accelerated the integration of drones and UAVs into its air force, recognizing their value not only for reconnaissance, but also for electronic warfare and precision strikes. These drones provide commanders with real-time intelligence, allowing for faster decision-making and more effective targeting without putting pilots at risk. Russia's UAV programs include a variety of platforms, from smaller tactical drones used for battlefield surveillance to larger armed drones capable of carrying out strike missions. What sets Russian drone development apart is the emphasis on electronic warfare capabilities embedded within these systems, enabling them to jam enemy communications and radar, disrupting adversary operations before a single missile is launched. This blend of reconnaissance, strike, and electronic attack roles makes drones a versatile force multiplier in Russia's aerial arsenal. Additionally, the use of drones in recent conflicts has provided valuable combat experience, helping refine tactics and improve drone technology. The growing drone fleet also complements manned aircraft by performing high-risk or prolonged missions, preserving pilot safety while maintaining battlefield pressure. As Russia continues to invest in drone innovation, including AI-assisted targeting and swarm technologies, its air power is evolving into a more flexible, networked force capable of dominating contested airspace. This shift not only enhances Russia's tactical options, but also signals a broader trend in warfare, where unmanned systems increasingly define air superiority.